Let's start this afternoon session with the modification of the program. First speaker will be Giovanna Pacini, and she shall present us her investigation about the virtual science cafe.
Yes. Good evening, everybody. I'm Giovanna Pacini, and I will talk about the use of the Science Cafe 2.0 platform in different contexts. Very briefly, our platform is a database that allows to gather and classify activities based on document, photo, video, and information from social networks in a consistent way and embed them in other web page. So let's start with I'll show you the platform. I hope that I just make, I don't know if the video is, okay, this is our platform. You can insert your username or password if you have, otherwise you can register. It's very easy to register into the platform. We need username, password, and email just to recover the password, and you can put over there and you can go inside our platform. As you see, our platform is divided into 3 big groups. You can see different colors, and inside you can see the personal page, the tools, and the activity. We work together to our partner in the activity, and I'll show you how the platform is used in different contexts. So, we use the platform to stream and make a better distant participation, also using a chat in Science Cafe contest, in conference, in Science at the Market, in workshop and conference, at Prato, in Science Cafe at Prato, for a virtual Science Cafe, for distant participation at open workshop and distant participation in assembly of association. How does the platform work? We can embed either the Hangout and the chat inside a web page. I'll show you the web page of our association, Caffè Scienza, and we embed either the video that is an Hangout video and the chat. This is the same page in the platform, so you can see the video and the chat. I don't speak about Science Cafe. I hope that everybody knows what is Science Cafe. I just want to tell about what we have to do before and during the event to make possible stream the event and interact with people at distance with the chat developed in the platform. Before the event, you have to create a new event from your channel in YouTube, create a new public activity on the platform, and embed, if you want, the link of the platform in a new page of your website. At the venue of the event, you have to collect the slides from the expert, because it's better to send the slide from the PC of the facilitator, to make the technical arrangement and stream and moderate the event. So I will show you some example of our activity with the use of the platform. One of the most important activity we made is Science Cafe. Science Cafe, we make Science Cafe in with a non-profit association, and we organize our science cafe in a premise of a mutual aid society, SMS Refedi. The community involved is Florence citizens in presence and online citizens. Methodology is classical science cafe and streaming and chat. In the picture you can see on the venue, and just on the left for you, there is the technical arrangement. You can see our web page with the video and the chat. If you want to participate in the chat, you need to log in the platform, but you can log in also from our page. In the picture, you can see Franco moderate online chat and our events, our experiment, where the platform is used. We use also the streaming and the chat in cafferenze. What is cafferenze? We noticed that science cafes on specialized topics, still attracting public, have difficulty in starting the discussion since the attendees have little previous knowledge on the topic. So we decided to adapt the Caffè Scienza formula in order to allow a longer presentation, so only one expert, and allowing the question after the explanation. We call Cafferenze is a word between Caffè Scienza and Conferenza in Italian. So you can see the experiment on your left, then route in the platform and the chat for particular cafferenze. In this scenario, science at the market, we made a typical science cafe, but the topics are about food, almost all the topics. And we made the events took place in an historical market in Florence named Mercato Centrale. So you can see in the picture the technical setup, and you can see on your left the experiments, and I like very much the picture on the right, because you can notice that public are very relaxed, drink, eat, while the expert goes on with explanation and question. So we try our platform also for streaming and chat in a workshop. So we use this scenario for permit distant participation of the delegates who participate or with the talk or only wants to talk with us after the talk. We experimented this scenario at the Citizen Science Cafe Congress. The event was a public meeting about the possibility of using Science Cafe as a participatory tools for initiative about science and citizen. And about 3 years ago, from the Association of Florence started another part of our association who made our events in Prato. Prato is a city near Florence, about quarter of an hour by car. And we made the same thing as in Florence, so the community involved is different, Prato citizens and obviously online public. You can see the public in Prato, and in this slide you can see on your right the experiments. And on the left, I just want to show you our flyer, just to advertise the event. So, this is our first experiment for a virtual science cafe. So, we start to think about to make an event only in internet using the platform, and we had our first experiment last year, and the topic is those crazy mad scientists, and you see Franco and Andrea was perfect for this topic, and we have more people at distance than inside, because we want to test the platform and the use of the platform for make a virtual science cafe. We use also the platform for a workshop. We made in Genova a workshop on the topics of Italian science cafe, and we use the platform for the talk of distant participation, and just used with someone of us knows Cinzia Belmonte, just over there. At least I want to show you another scenario, another possibility for using the platform for allows the distance participation of the partner of an association or something like this for an assembly. So people can participate also at distance. So, conclusion. We experimented the use of the Science Cafe 2.0 platform in 24, I think it's more events. I have just to make a new slide for this, but events in different contexts. We developed the distant participation at our events. The online participation constitutes the 50% of the total public, and we create a repository of our events and of the discussion in the platform. If you link at the platform, you can see either the video and the chat of every event I show you. And at the end, we test and improve the Science Cafe 2.0 platform. Just one thing, I want to invite you for an event that will take place on 31 of March. It's a completely virtual Science Cafe. I am the moderator, and the experts are in Edinburgh. And I hope that the publics are you. Can I ask you a favor? If you see the video or the streaming video, please connect with the platform too, just to chat, to say hello to everybody. It's not necessary to say anything more, but just say hello. Thank you.
Thank you, Giovanna. Are there comments or questions about the platform? But you can experiment with it in online and have a look at what can be done with this.